All are fine. Today we'll see Standard 8 Subject Science in the chapter number 10. Chapter name is Reaching the Age of Adolescence. In the previous video we have seen up to main 6. Today we'll see main 7. Explain giving scientific reasons, 2 marks each. Number 1. Pituitary gland is considered as the master gland. Answer is pituitary gland is connected with the brain. The production of sex hormones from testes and ovaries are under the control of a hormone secreted from a pituitary gland. Thyroid and adrenal gland secrete their hormones when receive orders from the pituitary through its hormones. Secretion of thyroid, adrenal, and gonad sex organs are regulated by the hormones of pituitary. So, pituitary gland is considered as the master gland. Number 2. Thyroid gland has a special significance in a frog. Answer is metamorphosis in a frog occur under the influence of a hormone. Transformation of a tadpole into a frog occurs by the thyroxine hormone secreted from thyroid gland. If the water in which tadpoles are growing does not contain iodine, then production of thyroxine stops. In absence of thyroxine, tadpole does not transform into a frog. So thyroid gland has special significance in a frog. Now we will see the question number 3. The sex hormones of the father determine the sex of an unborn baby. Answer is human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes. Of this, female has XX and male has XY as a pair of X chromosomes. The fertilized egg always has one X chromosome. Sperms are of two kinds. One kind has an X chromosome and other kind has a Y chromosome. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote would have XX chromosome female child. If the sperm contributes a Y chromosome to the egg at a fertilization, the zygote would have XY chromosome male child. Thus, the sex X chromosomes of the father determine the sex of an unborn baby. Now see the main 8. Write 2 points of difference, 2 marks each, male sex hormones and female sex hormones. In that number 1, testosterone is the male sex hormones and in female estrogen is the male sex hormones. Now in male sex hormones it is released from testes and here in a female it is released from ovaries. Now see the match the column. Match the following properly. Write the alphabet index of column B in the answer box, 4 marks each. Column A, endocrine gland. Number 1, pituitary gland. Number 2, thyroid gland. Number 3, testes. Number 4, ovary. And in here, column B, secreted hormones. A, insulin. B, testosterone. C, growth hormone. D, thyroxine. And D, E, estrogen. Now see the number 1, pituitary gland with match with the growth hormone. Number 2, thyroid gland match with the thyroxine. Testes match with the testosterone and ovary match with the estrogen. Now see the next page. Column A, male sex hormones, master gland. Number 3, frog. Number 4, eggs. And column B, virus. B, ovary. C, pituitary gland. C, tadpole. D, tadpole and E, testes. Number 1, male sex hormones match with the testes. Master gland match with the pituitary gland. Frog match with the tadpole and AIDS match with the virus. AIDS is a virus. Now for the main 10, answer the following questions in detail, 4 marks each. Number 1, the table below shows the data on likely heights of boys and girls as they grow in age. Draw graphs showing height and age of for both boys and girls on the same graph paper. What conclusion can be drawn from these graphs? Now see, age is given and here age is given 0, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 and height in centimeters are given. Height of boys is given and height of girls is given. Okay. Now see, here you have to draw from on the graph. On x-axis you have to draw 54. Here you have to mention 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 and on y-axis see difference of 5 scales you have to take and you have to put difference of 10 10 50 60 70 80 90 100 110 130 140 150 160 170 and 180 and 190. Now you have to show like this. Boys and girls you have to show differently. One from dotted line and one straight line. Your graph would be like this. See. Now we will see the next page. Explain the menstrual cycle in female. Now see, in female menstruation occurs one in about 28 to 30 days during reproductive phase from the age of 10 to 12 years and lasts till the age approximately 45 to 50 years. Menstrual cycle is controlled by hormones. The ova begin to mature with the onset of puberty. One ovum matures and is released by one of the ovaries once in 28 to 30 days. During this period, the wall of the uterus becomes thick so as to receive the egg in fertilization does not occur. The released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off. This causes bleeding in women. It means menstruation. The menstrual cycle includes the menstruation of the egg. It releases thickening of uterine wall and its breakdown. Now see the question number 3. Explain sex determinations in human beings. First of all, see the here Y chromosomes and here X chromosomes. Fertilization X gives XY and here XX. If XY then it's a boy and XX then girl. Now see the answer. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nuclei of their cells. Out of this 23rd pair, one pair is X chromosomes. A female has XX and a male has XY as a sex chromosomes. The gametes X and sperm have only one set of chromosomes. The unfertilized egg in a female always has one X chromosome. Sperms in male are of two kinds. One kind has an X chromosome and other kind has a Y chromosome. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilized the egg, the zygote would have two XX chromosomes and developed into a female chromosome. If the sperm contributes a Y chromosome to the egg ovum at fertilization, the zygote would develop into a male child. Thus, the message for sex determination of an unborn baby is in zygote. The sex chromosomes of the father determine sex of an unborn baby and not by mother. Now we will see the activities in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.